operations on a constant basis, then you have to scale back what your aspirations are, where your national interests are at. So just as an example, a fighter pilot in the Cold War would fly anywhere from 220 to 250 hours a year. The average fighter pilot is about 120. So you're flying half the time. You've got maybe 2 out of 5 aircraft that are even available to train on. And it just creates a situation where no funding, minimum maintainers, the people that work on the flight lines to keep these aircraft up, lack of spare parts, lack of fuel, and just operational costs for getting these planes up. And then you have a young captain and his crew that gets on a plane, and you're asking them to undertake this fairly risky operation. So America has to decide, is it worth having the military that we want to secure U.S. interests globally or not?
It is astounding. I've been on aircraft carriers, 3 of them, reporting for Fox News, and the work they do is heroic. There are a lot of young people who are out there on the flight line as these F-18s
you don't know where you're going,
trying to
so
hit that
just
trip
pick up
wire,
the speed and
and it's just an incredible